Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placements. This is your general situation pagdating sa love and the person on your mind reading. Okay, this is for end of April. Okay, hanggang end ng April. So, ano bang meron? Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin, kung may mga tanong kayo sa ating mga items. Okay, so meron tayong protection from evil eye. We have ring. This is adjustable. Ring, bracelets, okay, and necklace. Okay, so yung necklace natin is ganito. And this is unisex. Okay? And syempre, yung ating love bracelet. So, sa mga connection, okay, is open din sa mga single. Okay? Itong love bracelet. And yung ating granter necklace. So ito yung nag-grant na mga wini-wish mo, mga minamanifest. Pero, sabi ko nga, every time na nagmamanifest tayo, pwedeng hindi natin ka-level or ka-vibration or ka-frequency yung ating minamanifest. So, may chance na pwedeng matagal. Okay? Hindi pwede kasi na nandito ka, nandito siya. Nandito yung minamanifest mo. Mga ganon. So, dapat kailangan munang magpantay. Pero, yeah, kung may mga ganong pagkakataon, then, surprises, no, yung ibibigay ni granter sa'yo. So, iba. Hindi ka pawawalan. And, syempre, yung ating cord cut. So, si cord cut, pagka-cut ng mga, ang tawag dyan, hindi na kailangang energy na nakakapit pa rin sa'yo. Okay? So, pasensya na sa aking boses. Ako ay inuubo. Oo. Ang init ng mga nakaraang araw. O, diba? So, yeah. Let's start the reading for you, Libra. Okay. So, in general, anong meron for you bago mag-end ang April? Libra. Kanina habang nag-shuffle ako, there's that 10 of Pentacles. Okay? So, that's money. The Hermit in reversed. Some of you, meron kayong mga hinahanap, hinihintay. Nandito na rin yung sitwasyong malabo. Okay, anong meron? The 5 of Pentacles. Some of you pwedeng isusurrender mo na lang to. Okay? Or iiwanan. Or iiwasan na. Lalayuan na. Something like that. Okay? Kasi, yeah, kailangan mo gawin yun. Kasi, parang bumababa yung frequency ng iba sa inyo. Because of that, some of you, napapabayaan mo work mo. Okay? Excuse me. Yeah, Judgment in reversed. Some of you, matagal na kayo nagsasuffer dito. Kung ano man to. Situation na sobrang malabo, sobrang magulo. Parang lagi ka na lang nangihingi. Hang on. Okay? So, Judgment in reverse. Energy is like, kailangan na mag-decide. You have to decide. Okay? May mga doors na magko-close kung hindi mo lalayuan to. Kung hindi mo aalisan. Okay? So, yeah. Some of you, this is talking about a connection or a relationship. What else? May mga napapabayaan. Or may mga masasayang. Hangman. What's with that? 10 of Chalices. Parang magsasama-sama. kasama yung family, relatives maybe. I'm saying that maybe there's this occasion. Okay? Some of you pwedeng makakatanggap ng isang mensahe about that. Excuse me. Some of you, this is like an invitation. Okay? An invitation, whether pupuntahan mo ba or hindi. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng hindi. There's conflict. Okay? Yeah. Strength in reverse and the Three of Swords in reverse. Some of you, parang ayaw mo lang talagang pumunta. Yes. Gagawa na lang ng dahilan para hindi pumunta. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. I don't know. Kanya-kanya kayong magiging rason o dahilan na the Eight of Wands. Excuse me. Pasensya na po ha. Ako'y inuubo talaga. Pero kailangan natin mag-reading. So, what else for you, Libra? May mga taong nag-e-expect sa'yo. Yeah, that's general. What else? What else? Pasensya na. So, Eight of Pentacles. That's work. Being busy. Temperance. In reversed. Overlap. Patong-patong na gawain. Yeah, ito yung Ten of Pentacles kanina. No? So, lumabas. So, meaning, yeah, may chance ng pera. Okay? Temperance in reverse. Some of you, you're working, like, hard. Working hard. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo talagang wala nang ibang magawa kundi trumabaho na lang ng trumabaho. Okay? Parang nawawala na ng balance yung buhay kasi puro work. Temperance in the first place. Page of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, excuse me, andito yung yung energy na parang mayroon ng gustong magbukas ng business. Some of you, ikaw itong parang burnt out na pagdating sa trabaho. Okay? Parang ikaw itong nakakatamad na pumasok everyday. Nakakatamad ng magkaroon ng boss. Nakakatamad ng sumunod. Parang ganyan. So, may chance iba sa inyo. May sisimulan, small business. Okay? Or, I don't know if this is plan pa lang. Okay, the Four of Swords in the first. May magre-resign. Yes, may magre-resign sa iba sa inyo. Some of you, there's this somebody na pwedeng maka-argument ay employer or boss or yeah, mga ganung bagay. Avoid arguments. Avoid arguments. Okay? So, may maghahanap ng ibang trabaho, may maghahanap ng ibang pagkakakitaan bago mag-end ang April. Yeah. I'm seeing some of you dating, talking, okay, flirting, kung kanino, online. Pwedeng, yeah, may dumating na connection bago mag-end ang April. And this is, sabihin natin, nandun sa side na parang hindi naman totally, parang seryoso. Okay? Pero siguro may chance na mag-workout to kung parang magkakatagpo talaga kayo. Like magkaka-vibes kayo. Parang ganyan. Some of them, they're younger. Yeah. The Knight of Chalices. There's a love offer coming in for some of you. Okay? So, there. So, next. Tingnan natin. Ano bang meron pagdating sa mga situation in love. Hang on. Kailangan ko minom. Okay. So, Libra. Kuha tayong dalawang sitwasyon pagdating sa love. Libra. Anong meron? Five of Chalices in reverse. That's moving on. Five of Chalices in reverse. The Knight of Chalices. Somebody is entertaining a connection para maka-move on. Para maka-move on. Be careful. Okay? Yeah, the Fool in reverse. Sinasabi rito na hindi dapat minamadali. Some of you, I'm hearing revenge. From a water sign, an Aries. Kung ikaw itong nagmo-move on and meron dumadating, no, na new connection. I don't care if it is new or old connection. Sinasabi rito, the Fool in reverse. Magkaroon ng plano. The Sun is here. Okay, magkaroon ng plano. Iwasan rin yung pagdidesisyon dahil ganto, ganyan. Out of your emotions. Ay, okay, sige. Kukunik ako dito. Ay, okay, sige, makikipagrelasyon ako ulit para malaman ni ex na ganto, ganyan. Okay, may ganun. Some of you, if you're a past person, ang kumukonek sa'yo ngayon, because, yeah, the Six of Swords is here. This is energy, something from the past. And the Five of Chalices. If this is a past person, nandun yung takot ng tao. Kaya siya bumabalik sa'yo. Kaya siya nakikipag-ayos. Dahil ayaw niya na totally maging okay ka, maging masaya ka without them. Okay? That's the reason why they're returning. Pwedeng yung past person mo nakikita na naka-move on ka na from them. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. No, the Seven of Pentacles in reverse, the Star. Yeah, they see you somebody na nag-heal or nakaka-move on na from them. Ayun lamang hinayang. The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Ayun lang may masayang sa kanila. Okay, yeah, the Empress. This is your energy. Alam naman nila kung anong mawawala sa kanila if ever. Whether new or old. Alam nila kung anong mawawala. Alam nila kung sabihin nating hindi makukuha. Parang ganyan. The Empress, the Star. Okay? You're like sabihin nating good catch. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, well, what else? I'm getting two energies here. Pwedeng may sabay. So, what else for you, Libra? Situation in love. The Six of Pentacles. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. Situation na parang hindi pwede. A missed opportunity for some of you. Okay? Parang may situation na nag-end na gustong bigyan muli, no, ng another chance if ever. Pero hindi pwede. Some of you, there's this legal issues na sabihin nating meron na present. Excuse me. Yeah, the Hierophant. Yes. The Seven of Chalices. So, meron ditong connection na gusto sana, kaso hindi pwede. Okay, may nakakaramdam dito ng missed opportunity with you. Okay, could be an earth sign, Taurus, and the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Feeling a missed opportunity with you. Some of you, or maybe some of them, is already in a connection na. That is why. Yeah, Judgment. They want a new beginning with you. They want a new, sabihin natin, a second, third, fourth, fifth chance with you. Okay? So, being the Ace of Pentacles in reverse, that's the energy of feeling the missed opportunity. So, siguro ikaw yung parang best para sa kanya. Okay? Yeah. Oh. Some of them, hindi na sila open for love. Some of them, the Ace of Chalices in reverse. Parang every time na gagawa siya ng way na humanap ng katulad mo, lagi na lang wala. Ikaw lang yung best, Libra. The Magician. The Judgment. Some of them, they're manifesting you. They're manifesting a comeback. Yeah. Some of you, if you're single, kung ikaw tong nagiging needy pagdating sa isang connection, okay, bumababa yung energy, bumababa yung frequency mo, kung ano-ano bibigay sa'yo ni universe. Kung paano mo minanifest yung tao, kailangan ko siya, gusto ko siya, kailan kaya, nakakaawa naman ako pag ganito. Yung parang nagiging needy ka while you're manifesting, sana naman. Parang ganon. So, kapag binigay sa'yo, sabihin nating, ganon ka rin mag-a-act dun sa connection. You're like pleading. You're like being needy. Yeah, parang ganon. Okay? So, sayang lang kung ginagawa mo na parang nagiging parang kang nagbe-beg. You don't have to beg. You don't need to beg for love. You don't need to. Okay? So, ayaw naman natin rin na magbe-beg, no, doon sa taong ibibigay sa atin. Kasi ganoon natin sila minanifest. Okay? Tandaan muli, kung paano natin minanifest yung person, ganun rin tayo a-action pagdating nila. Yes, that's true. Okay? So, don't beg for love. Don't. Para ka lang din nag-aaksaya. Okay? So, some of you, you're not healed. Heal. Focus on yourself. Focus on self-love, self-care. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Oo, para makakuha ka ng love. Genuine love. Sounds so cliche, pero ang corny, no? Pero, yeah. Ayaw natin sa corny, eh. Pero, minsan, hindi naman masamang sumunod. Okay? So, there. Excuse me. So, next. The person on your mind, Libra. Who is this? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Some of you, this is a new person you're interested in. Okay? Some of you. So, who is this person, Libra? Anong meron sa kanya? The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them, they're not ready financially, or like they're not stable financially. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. The Nine of Chalices in reversed. Yeah. Pwedeng hindi pa nito nakukuha, or sabihin natin hindi pa nila nagagawa yung mga bagay na gusto pa nilang gawin. I think. Justice is here, the two of chalices. Sabihin natin, yeah, this person likes you. They like you. Okay? You're their wish fulfillment. Pero iba sa inyo, may chance na hindi pa siya totally nagiging open sa'yo, pero alam niya, siya na yung gusto mo. Some of them, they're feeling the missed opportunity with you kasi parang hindi ka nila makuha. Hindi ka nila kayang kunin. Yeah, the Six of Chalices. They see a strong connection with you. They felt a strong connection. Ano bang meron sa situation? Anong meron? The Ten of Wands. The Five of Wands. So there's this energy of drama. Okay? Somebody wants to put effort, to exert effort here. They want this, the Six of Wands. They want success, victory. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Swords. The Four of Chalices. If this is a past person though, ang connection na nakikita ko dito is magulo. Hindi kanya kayang ipaglaban. Hindi kanya kayang effortan. It's like, okay, bahala na. Okay, hayaan ko na lang to. Kahit sabihin natin, yeah, gusto ka na. Hahayaan na lang niya to. Gagawin na lang niya tong missed opportunity. You're their, unfulfilled wish. Okay? If this is a past person. Yeah. Meron ditong married. Justice. That's you. Some of you, ikaw yung married. Or merong something like legal issue. Hindi yun para sa lahat. So, ano bang meron pagdating sa emosyon niya sa'yo, Libra? Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. They want you. They need you. Some of you, if this is a past person, they want you back. They want a second chance. They want a new beginning. They want forgiveness from you. Yeah, the Ten of Chalices. Oh. Feeling incomplete without you. This person. Okay? Some of them, they're trying to, to connect sa ibang tao. Pero hindi nila makita yung ikaw. They're always trying to compare. Okay? They're trying to compare everything na kung anong nakikita nila sa mga nakakausap nila. Ay, wala kang ganito. Si Libra kasi ganito eh. Parang ganon. Ay, ayoko sa'yo. Yung mga ganyang bagay. Hindi ako nakain yan eh. Parang ganyan. Ay, hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. Tapos maalala ka. Buti pa si Libra alam. Parang gano'n. Okay? Ano ba naman to? Hindi ako naaalala man lang. Parang ganyan. Pero si Libra, lagi ako naaalala. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? Some of them, talagang ginagawa lang nilang busy yung sarili nila. Para mas magandang maging busy na lang sa trabaho kaysa kumonek pa. Ayoko, parang ganon. So, what is their next action towards you? Next action bago mag-end ng April. Yeah, Justice in reversed. Some of you, you're dealing with a fellow Libra. Page of Chalices. They will reach out. They will. They want your forgiveness, Libra. They want to say sorry. Kung ano man yung kailangan lang ipaghingi ng sorry, nakagawa ito ng mali sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, specifically, kung ikaw, Libra, nakagawa ng mali sa kanya, they're like waiting na na manghingi ka ng sorry sa kanya. That's not for all. That's not for all. Pero they're like accepting kung anong meron, the world. The High Priestess, kung ikaw nga ang kailangan mag-sorry dito, andito yung pananahimik niya. Pero, yes, they're open. They're open. Pero yun nga, sabi ko, kung siya yung nakagawa ng mali, may chance na mag-reach out to bago mag-end ang April. Could be younger. Okay? Outcome. Potential outcome bago mag-end ang April. The Five of Swords. In reverse, yeah. This is pakikipag-ayos, kaayusan in general, the Five of Swords in reversed, and the Eight of Chalices. The Ace of Swords in reversed. King of Wands. The Three of Wands, the Judgment. So, nakakuha ko dito ng energy about sabihin nating, yeah, ipag-level up. Okay? Sabihin nating open. Being open sa line of communication. Pero, parang hindi nasasabi everything ang mga kailangang sabihin. So, magdadala pa rin ng confusion. Magdadala pa rin ng mga kung ano man na sabihin nating kalabuan pa rin. Hindi pa rin masosolve. Yung mga dapat ma-solve dito. Pero yeah, the intention is the Five of Swords. Maayos yung mga dapat maayos. Ma-fix yung mga dapat ma-fix. Outcome, the Five of Swords in reverse. And the Eight of Chalices. Kung walang mag-step up or walang mag-reach out, pwede kasing wala. At hahayaan na lang. So, walang mangyayari dito. Both of you. Okay? Sabihin natin naghihintayan. This is a waiting game. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Swords is here. In reverse, the Lovers. Yeah. Hindi pa tapos to. Excuse me. Hindi pa po tapos. Yeah, the Fool. Somebody is planning na gumawa ng magandang decision. Okay? So, there. So, next, yung ating all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Don't forget to follow rin yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries. Feeling drawn sa'yo. Taurus. There could be third party involvement. Sabihin nating meron ditong hindi maganda na kooperasyon or walang magandang kooperasyon, I mean. Gemini, they like you. They want to flirt. Cancer, they're longing for you. They're sad. They want to reach you out. They want to hear from you. They want to get a sign. You're waiting for a sign. So, Leo, gusto ka makasama ni Leo. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Yes, inuubo talaga ako. Okay. Virgo, there's this blockage here. Some of you, meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan ni Virgo. Or hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Libra, there's that stability. Some of you, may Libra dito na parang gusto kang makasama forever. And they're younger, I think. Scorpio, they're indecisive. Some of them, they have options. Some of them, yeah, they're acting aloof. Excuse me. Sagittarius. I'm getting this energy about this Sag na parang they need you. Pero, yeah, may energy ng third party here. Parang kailangan ka nila, pero hindi ka dapat kailanganin. Parang ganun. Capricorn, they're manifesting you. They want conversation with you. Aquarius, they want clarity. They want answers. Pisces, they're being impatient. Yeah, they're being impatient. Some of them, meron silang kailangang sagot from you or maybe ikaw sa kanya. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Goodbye.